Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland with my fourth record, number 4, and it's going to be a mono, and I'm going to do a spatula swipe. I've got some chain over there, some string, and this that I amputated quite a few of its little prongs, and I'm just going to see what I might like to do. So that's the story. You'll find the recipe for these paints under Show More and just below this video. I put a little bit of alcohol, which is, where's my bottle? No, where's the alcohol bottle? I don't know what it's called, that's why I'm trying to find the bottle. Oh, there it is, it fell over. I should pour full alcohol, and I think this one is, it's either 91 or 97%, so it's from Diggers. That's what I used. And I don't know how much because I just sort of went splurge. More, actually, you know, I might tip this first and just see what it looks like. Have like little ring pours. Man-made, woman-made. Okay, so it's looking alright. I'll give it a little tilty, see how we go. Coming along alright. I think I'll just over it a bit here, probably put a bit more white into it. Yeah, I'm not that fussed on that. So here we go. I think it was nicer when I was tilting it, so that's what I'm going to do. Just make sure I got plenty on there to play with. It's quite nice the way it is. Alright. There you go. I'm liking this. And a bit back to the centre. Take it a bit over there. And that'll do. What have I got there? I have something there. I don't get out. I don't know what that was, but it was not belonging. Alright, so now I'm just going to go over a few of these black lines and them a little bit more defined, because I rather like the black. Not the dribbles. There's the hole there for the centre. I'm going to tilt this a bit more, I think. I've got rather a lot of paint on there. And so, that way a bit. And then we'll just go around again. And now back to the centre, and then I'm happy person. Fingerprints. Right, did I get any over there? No. Alright, so how about that? That's pretty cool. I'm going to torch that, and then I'll bring you down. Underneath Show More, you'll also find a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and say hello and join us. Got a little bit of selection there. It's probably from the Floetrol. I can't really see that the alcohol has done anything. Probably just made the record drunk. Alright, but it's still very pretty and I like it, so I'll bring you down to have a look at that. Oh yes. And it'll look nice up on the wall once it's turned into a clock. Underneath Show More, you'll also find a link to my Fine Arts America page, which is there, and it's good fun to go and have a look at. This is really pretty, and I like this black bit. Let's see if I can find it there with the little white spots. That looks nice actually. And then it up there looks like an island. Yes, this is very nice. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. Please give it the thumbs up and click subscribe and the little bell if you haven't already. And thank you very much for coming in and watching me. And I'll see you in Australia Art Dreaming or in the next video. Don't forget, thumbs up. Thank you. Goodbye.